Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80240023, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Okay, the next one is to reset Windows Update components. Now we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, run the script here, paste it, and then run it here. Okay, now I'll tell you what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the Windows Update components. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.